Hi there, we're at CandyMachines.com today, and what we want to show you today is mounting a single Rhino Pro to the monster stand. Now this is a quick and easy process, it should take you a few minutes. They're laid out on the floor, all the components that you should have in the box. You should have your base, your center pull, the flange, and your bolts. Now keep in mind that this package is a universal package and it comes with 8 bolts. You do not need all 8 bolts to mount a single head. We're just going to use 2 today, and we'll get started. First thing you want to do is take your pull and just thread that right onto the base of the stand. Thread it on there all the way tight. We will remove the top lock. Put that aside. You will lift the globe and hopper assembly completely off. Next, you will lift the body. And what you're left with here is the base of the machine with the drawer. Now, in order to mount this, you will need to just remove this drawer. So just put the key in. Remove the drawer. And you can see here you have the base with the center rod. You can see the universal hole pattern there for mounting. Now this here is the flange. There are 8 holes on here, and the holes, what's unique about this is they are threaded. So there are no nuts required. Nope. So what we're going to do is just simply align holes with the flange. Just for demonstration purposes, we're just going to do 2 here. Go ahead and do 4 if you want. It's easiest on the single head mount if you just get the 4 holes on the outer side. So you've got 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. What you're left with is the base of the machine with the flange mounted right to the bottom. Now you'll notice the bolts go from inside the machine. This is done for security purposes, and it threads directly into the flange. You just want to tighten that down with a 10mm ratchet or wrench. Now you just take this and simply thread it right onto the stand there. Get it tight. You just need to assemble your machine. Go ahead and put the drawer back in. Lock it. Put the body. The globe and hopper assembly. Your lid. And tighten your lock. Don't over tighten the lock, just go till it's snug. Back about a quarter turn. There you go, that's how you mount a Rhino Pro to the Monster Stand.